Selling Skool with Thrivecart is a great way to streamline your membership, course, and digital product sales, but it's important to know exactly how to do it efficiently. If you're looking for a simple way to set up a seamless checkout process for your Skool community, stick around because I'm going to walk you through how Thrivecart can help you do just that, and give you a few alternative options that could work even better for your specific goals. First thing you need to know is that Thrivecart is one of the most powerful checkout and sales page builders out there, allowing you to sell memberships and digital products, but it's not a full-fledged course platform. That's where Skool comes in. It's designed for community-based learning with a focus on simplicity and user engagement. So, how do these two work together? The next thing you'll need to do is integrate Thrivecart with Skool. Fortunately, it's pretty straightforward. Thrivecart supports Zapier, which allows you to automate actions between Thrivecart and Skool. For example, when a customer purchases access to your Skool community, Thrivecart can automatically trigger a Zap to enroll them. This removes a lot of the manual work involved with onboarding new members. Next thing, let's talk about customizing the checkout experience. Thrivecart is excellent in this area. You can design custom checkout pages, offer upsells, and even create payment plans. If you're selling digital courses or memberships through Skool, you'll want to use Thrivecart's flexible payment options to cater to your audience's needs. This gives you the flexibility to sell memberships, one-time payments, or subscription-based access. The fourth thing you need to know about is Thrivecart's affiliate management system. If you plan to have affiliates promote your Skool community, Thrivecart's built-in affiliate program is a solid choice. You can track affiliate sales and automatically pay them commissions. This is especially helpful if you want to scale your sales through a referral program. However, while Thrivecart does a fantastic job on the sales side, it's important to note that it doesn't have the course-specific features that Skool does. For instance, Skool provides a more focused learning environment, such as forums and course modules, which Thrivecart lacks. So, if you need more advanced course creation tools, you may find Skool is doing the heavy lifting here. Now, let's talk about some downsides. Thrivecart's setup can be a bit overwhelming for beginners, especially if you're new to e-commerce platforms. While it's powerful, it may take some time to master its full capabilities. Similarly, Skool's platform is minimalistic, which is great for simplicity, but may feel too stripped down if you need more robust features like quizzes or deep analytics. But here's where I'll give you the best advice. If your goal is to sell courses and memberships through Skool with Thrivecart, there are some competitors that might offer even more seamless integration. Platforms like Kajabi or Kartra combine both the course creation tools and checkout functionality, which could save you time and reduce the complexity of using two separate systems. I'll leave a link below to grab an exclusive, extended free trial for Thrivecart and Skool through our affiliate link, but also, check out those other options, especially if you're looking for more built-in tools for course creators. Trust me, they're worth considering. By using our link, you'll unlock the best trial deals and exclusive benefits available to our viewers, so don't miss out.